The big question this time of year in the ornamental grass department is which ones are evergreen. Today, I'm going to show you. Let's start with Cortaderia or Pampas grass, where you have a great selection for height, starting with tiny Pampa, which only grows 2 feet, pink Phantom, which gets you up to 6 to 7 feet, and in the middle, Ivory Feathers at 3 to 4 feet. Carex is a really good choice, particularly if you're doing winter planters. Feather falls will actually trail down 3 to 4 feet, while Evergold makes a great accent in a mixed planter. I'll admit that New Zealand Sedge is a love-or-hate plant. Some people think it looks a little dead, but when you add it to others in greens and colors, it makes a great addition to a fall planter. Ophiopogon Nigrescens, or black Mondo grass, is another great container feature, but you need to add a little something to contrast it. Put something like Vinca Illumination in, and all of a sudden, every single strand of black blades really stands out. Phormium, or New Zealand flax, makes a bold tropical statement in any garden, and you can choose your colors, including Crimson Devil and Yellow Wave.